Alright guys, welcome back. In this episode I just wanted to show you my workstation. I built this last year I think, and I'm going to put the plans for it available for free down in the description below. I CAD modeled this in SolidWorks, but you should be able to open it up in whatever you need. So long story short, this integrates a table router, a miter saw, and a table saw. It has two-stage dust collection and a ton of storage for some other things. It's also detachable, so you can roll the table saw away from this, and then the miter saw flips upside down and stores. So I'll show you what that looks like real quick. To detach the table saw, I just have two of these guys. And now you can pull the table saw away from the rest of the thing. This is kind of nice in case you have the miter set up when you want to cut some panels. It's just nice to have the flexibility. In terms of some other things about this thing, I have a kind of a shroud that works even when you're doing bevel cuts. There's two pieces here, so I'll show you what I mean. When I first designed this, I forgot to account for the motor and the whole arbor mechanism rotating. So now it's two pieces. Kind of works, you'll see. So now the back end is mostly blocked off. Yeah, some air can get out here and here, but for the most part, all that suction is going to be drawn straight through the table saw and then down into this wedge-shaped dust collector right here. Have some squares and a level here. Usually just keep some writing utensils right here. Over here, just a regular hammer and the wrench for the table saw if I want to change blades, along with a big square. Inside, I'm using them right now. There's a dustpan and a broom that go right here. And then I have storage for different blades right here. Start, stop. Up here, I just kind of use this as like a staging area for things, and then I have some of these guys. I forget what you call these guys. Over here, just have a little bit of storage for some glue. I'm keeping all the router attachments right underneath here for now, and it kind of wedges in there nice, so that stays put pretty well. So clamp storage for just a handsaw, a yardstick here, and then I have some long clamp storage here. This is actually a surge protector / power strip for a computer network. And I found this in the trash somewhere, and the fuse was bad, so I put a new fuse in it, and it works great. What's kind of cool is it has an outlet here on the front if you want to use a circular saw or belt sander or something, and then on the back it's got a bunch of outlets, and so I have that hooked up to the vacuum system, the router, table saw, and whatever else I need. Vacuum system is just a simple shop vac, and then I have one of these 5-gallon buckets. So what happens is the suction goes through here into the bucket and then in there. So the heavier stuff falls down there, and you can just adjust the suction here or here. This is what you hook up to the miter saw or the router, and then this tube here is what goes into the back of that table saw. So there you go, pretty simple. Didn't take too long to build. Again, I'll put the link to the CAD model down below if you guys want to try to build one yourself. But one thing that's really nice is it's just all the same height. You'll probably need to adjust the dimensions of some things to make sure that the work surface is flush with the router, is flush with the table saw. So, all right, cheers and thanks for watching.